Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This should be a 2-pack of grow lights for your plants. And as I do with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos just in case there's somebody out there who's thinking about ordering the same item. I can at least put a video out to show you what it looks like when it comes in. So let's take a look at what we get here. A wall power outlet, some cable pull ties, second adhesive strip, the instruction manual. Hopefully you can see this okay. And then the lights themselves. What I liked about these lights versus other grow lights, I've got several different grow lights, but they're usually huge. They're either large bulbs that need a aluminum housing or something like that, or they're these big old box LED lights. These are pretty small and they're lightweight. So again, put some adhesive on them, stick them wherever you want to, and then you've got a power cord that you can control the bulb color, the brightness, etc. USB end, which again you'll put into your wall outlet if you need. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope the video helps. So I hope you're going to be able to see this okay. I thought it might be beneficial to walk you through the remote control. It's very easy. Up at the top here, you basically just have a power button. Turn your lights on, turn them off. The second button is going to be a timer button, so you have 3 different timer options. If you want to put them on and then have them cut off after a certain amount of time, you can toggle that. Not sure if you're going to be able to read it or not, but there's 3 different options and they light up. Depending on which option you choose, each option has a different timer setting. You've also got a swap button down here. This is what the little arrows are. You can, let's see if I can show you the lights. You can turn one off, leave the other one on. You can have them both on, or you can turn this one off, leave the other one on. So it's just kind of a toggle so that you can choose which lights you want on at which given time. And then last but not least, you have a brightness light. So you can press this to make them brighter and dimmer. Pretty easy. I hope it gives you an idea of what they look like when they're lit up and how the operation works.